Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to replace this Toyota Hilux stereo with the new Kenwood DMX 8521S. Has a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the stereo and how you can connect your camera and steering wheel control buttons with the new stereo. Okay guys, this is what we have. That's our main Toyota plugs for the speakers and power. This is our reverse camera, and this one for our steering wheel controls, and it's also got a reverse trigger that we need for our reverse camera. That's our antenna. That's the old GPS, we don't need it. That's the USB, we don't have for this one, so we don't need this one. Alright, so let's begin with the installation. What we need for this. So as you can see, I have this wiring loom that will connect to the stereo power wires and the speakers. This one will go straight into the stereo. It has a steering remote. This one is our camera, just plug and play. Just connect power, ground, that's it, it will start working. That's our antenna adapter. So we got this antenna here, just need to connect power. So that's pretty much it with the wiring. We don't need to mess with the wiring. If you don't have camera wiring, this kind of adapter, if you don't have that one, and if you don't have this kind of adapter as well, I can show you how you can still make the connection without using this. You just need this kind of RCA plug to run the camera, and this adapter has 3 wires here. So these 3 wires, which is first one is steering wheel control 1, second steering wheel control 2, third one is ground wire. So that's all you need to wire with your stereo. You can then save the channels, save the steering wheel buttons from the stereo like manually. And about the camera, as you can see, this black wire is our power wire, has to be 6 volt. This one, red one, that's our video. Bottom 2 both are ground. So black, the second one, it's a power. First one video, bottom both ground wires. Just need to connect with this kind of RCA. So this is a voltage converter. This one will convert 12 to 6 volt or 9 volt. So you can also use a 33 ohm resistor to make it work if you don't have this one. Alright, let's begin with the installation. I will show you once I install all the wires, and then I'll show you how you can do it. Now as you can see, we got all the wiring done. That's our main Kenwood adapter that is now connected to the main harness. You need to tape it very well. You don't need to solder it, just tape it properly. Put some cable ties on it so even sun can't damage the tape. So that way our harness is secured and it's properly insulated. Our camera is connected with the harness as well. Power and ground wire is connected with it. This is the one with the steering wheel. So if you can see, this red wire is your reverse wire. So from the main adapter of the stereo, you can see this kind of wire. This is a wire, as you can see. So this wire, you need to connect it with this red wire. So when you reverse the car, your camera will start automatically. You don't need to do anything else. So this is the wire. So from this side is a second pin, red one. If in your case the color is different, doesn't matter, it will be this wire, or you can test it. Just put gear on reverse and you can test it with your tester. So install my microphone in here, and my GPS antenna here. So I have installed my microphone here. Here's the GPS antenna. It's going to be stick on this one like that. I'll take it out. So the wire come from all the way from here, and it's come from this side. This is the wire, cable tie here, extension wires here, one more cable tie, then we got it this side. This is our GPS, this is our microphone. Now time to install the stereo. So to run the wires, you can easily remove this glow box from here. It's very easy to remove. And now we can install the stereo, and I will show you how you can connect your steering wheel, and yeah, I will show you the camera, steering wheel, everything is working, and we'll go from there. Here we go, guys. Our stereo has been installed. As you can see, it's pretty nice install. Now I'll show you how you can pair your steering wheel with the stereo, as we have already connected from the back. Go to user interface, steering wheel controller. Now to learn the steering wheel, press and hold the steering wheel key. So you need to hold the key from here. Volume up, volume down. Next, previous, source, voice. Those are small call buttons. This is that one. Hang. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 buttons. So learning completed. Cool, all sorted. So that's how we can do our steering wheel controls, and I will show you the reverse. This is our reverse camera working. It's on the reverse gear. It's working fine only when you reverse, and you can also press cam button to see anytime. How can you remove this trim panel in Toyota Hilux? So first of all, we need to remove this. Just take it off with the pry tool. Take it off. Then there is a screw here that firstly you need to remove this from here, and you can see the screw. Then you need to take this thing off. It comes off just like that. Then you can remove this screw here, 3 screws, and you can also pop this one out, and you can remove this wire. Just put your hands in here and pry it off. It comes off very easily. That's a Toyota Hilux door. Here we go, guys. I've removed the door panel. Here we go. So this is our front speaker spacer. I took the speaker off from the shell. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the Kenwood speakers in there, and they will sit pretty nice here, and then you can just screw it up. Now what do you need to know? So this is a 6.5 for 6.5 speakers, and this is a Toyota Hilux. So this one is our positive, this is our negative. So what I need to do, I don't have a adapter for this, so I need to cut this wire from here, and I need to put the new wires in here. So that's our new wires. I'm gonna put it here, then I'll show you how once the speaker is installed. Now as soon as you install the speaker, you will see there will be no sound. You know why? Because that we have removed the tweeter. So once the tweeter is removed, there is a loop that go through the wires. So what do we need to do in this case? We need to take these, chop these two wires and connect them together. So pink with pink and purple with purple, so it will start working.